Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's a custom Ford Maverick, new for 2018. This is the navy blue Recolor. The previous one was white. Did review that one as well. Check out my channel for it. There's the back of the card if you want to read it. Go ahead and pause if you need more time. Okay. Of course, plastic base, metal body. Pretty cool that they matched the base color with the body. If it'll focus any better, there it is. So there's the base, plastic force, and there's the body. Got detailed door handles there. Cool looking front there with the grille and the headlights. Got the side mirrors in there as well. And you actually do have detailed taillights back there. Check that out. And little alignment issues as usual with these things, but totally not bad for, $1. Actually pretty cool. Alright, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.